Welcome to Homework Lib.
Here we want to know what is going to be the value, well, the sign of delta H and delta S for three different reactions. So for reaction A, what we know is that the reverse of this reaction is always going to be spontaneous. So that means that the reverse reaction of A is going to have a delta G lower than zero for all temperatures. Thus, that means that delta G, since this is equal to delta H minus T delta S, what is going to happen is that for the reverse of the reaction, delta H is going to be negative and delta S is going to be positive. So we're going to have that the reverse is going to be an exothermic reaction with positive delta S. That means that for A, we're going to have the reverse values. So delta H needs to be positive and delta S needs to be negative. And notice that this is going to be consistent with proceeds faster at temperatures above minus 3 degrees Celsius. So in this case, positive and negative. Next up, we're going to have that the reaction is going to be endothermic. This is going to be for reaction B. For an endothermic reaction, that means that delta H is going to be positive and delta S is going to be unknown, because if a reaction is endothermic or exothermic, doesn't give us any information regarding the delta S. And for the last one, the reaction is spontaneous only above 139 degrees Celsius, but proceeds at a slower rate below 181 degrees Celsius. That means that delta G for this reaction, what is going to happen is that if I increase temperature, then the reaction is going to become spontaneous. Thus, delta H is going to be positive, and delta S needs to be positive as well. So, in this case, the last one, positive and positive. This is going to be an endothermic reaction, so it makes sense that the rate of the reaction is slower below certain temperatures. So with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.